What's up, guys? Happy Tuesday to you. Today we're building the deck. Got the deck up. Already start these stairs right here. Got the stringers laid out, but today's carry. We got the Hinder XM18 3.5 titanium UK blue. This is a slicer grind, no flipper, 20 CV steel, dialed in super smooth. Tri-way system does have bearings in it. Fall shut action. We got the Klingman, Best MEDC Taylor Martin, Nitro V Micarta hollow grind. We got the Rosecraft blades, Barlow Smoky Bone. Got the bolsters on it, sheep's foot blade. Good walk, talk. Carry that in a small Rosecraft slip. And for the light, we got Nitecore MT1A Pro in pocket today. What y'all's carry? Have a great day.